Hello, YouTube. Jonathan Rose, McAllen Performance Diesel. I'm going to hit up a little 7.3 video today. Going to have to mind the video quality. I'm filming by myself again. So this truck here behind us, it's an old 7.3 truck. Customer states he was driving down the road, and all of a sudden the truck just died on him. He took it home, couldn't get the truck to start, and he suspected fuel. States of the fuel filter, or not fuel filter, fuel pump. Still couldn't get the truck to run. Finally opted to bring us the truck. He parked out here in the parking lot. And I want to go out there to see if I could at least get a quick diagnosis on it, or maybe even get the truck just to run to bring in the shop to work on before I had to push or pull it in. So I grabbed my laptop, I walk out there, put the key in it, turn the key over, and automatically realize that it's not going to do, my laptop's not going to do me any good. He had no service engine light and no wait to start light. If you ever have this on a 7.3 truck, your truck's not going to start. What's going on is the PCM's not powering up, or the PCM has failed. So cover your basics first. I go ahead and start checking fuses. I don't have my manual with me, don't have nothing to look up fuse numbers. I just go off, pulling them out, taking a look at them, find a blown fuse, stick in it. I was able to get the truck to start and run. I bought it in the shop. A lot of people fail out here. They just take it as it just blew a fuse. Something caused that fuse to blow. That's an overload protection. Something caused it. So if we find a blown fuse, let's dig a little deeper. So I got looking into what else ties in that fuse. And I've had this before, so I kind of knew where to go. But the heater for the fuel bowl actually ties in the same circuit. So we go ahead and go investigate. We go ahead and pull the fuel filter off. And sure enough, it was clear as day. When you open it up, I'm hoping y'all can see that real. But that is your heating element for your fuel bowl. And you're going to have to mind the mess around the shop and my workbench. We're still in the construction phase, so it's kind of hectic around here, to say the least. But anyways, you can tell this is burned up into two pieces. What happened is this broke loose and it hit the side of the housing, causing a short. That's what caused this fuse to blow. So, I guess there's a couple things to take from this. If y'all having problems blowing that fuse, I think it's fuse 30. Don't quote me on that. My memory is not the best. But if you keep blowing that fuse, go check the heater. If you blow a fuse, investigate that circuit. What all ties in that circuit? Look for it. Don't just throw a fuse in and roll with it. But I'm hoping this helps some of y'all out, especially y'all 7.3 owners that have a crank no start. These heating elements are relatively cheap. They're easy to replace. It's 2 Torx head screws that hold them in. There ain't nothing to it. Anybody, if you can change your own fuel filter, you can change this out. But anyways, that's my little quick tip for the video. I hope it helps some of y'all out. We appreciate the support. I'm hoping our video quality gets better. And, click and subscribe. We're a small shop. We're trying to do some things out here, trying to help customers. But we appreciate y'all. Have a wonderful day.